first time coming to the camp?
No, this is my third time coming to the camp.
Tell me, give me a full name and city, town, state where you're coming from.
My name's
Johan from Oast, and I'm from Tiburon, California, which is right across the bridge from San Francisco.
Every time I've came to the camp, it's been really fun.
Brother?
What's up?
Chillin'?
Yeah.
You got a head?
It's like a ton of coaches here, and that's like the best part about it, like meeting with the coaches and seeing like people that you would like look up to and seeing them here at the camp. It was a lot bigger than the first 2 years. That's like my first reaction. There's a lot more people than the first 2 years.
What's your favorite thing about Face-Off Factory? Like, what to you makes it different than all the other stuff that's going on out there?
It's a lot different because you build relationships with the coaches.
Keeks, who's the girlfriend? Who's the girlfriend? Who's the girl? Who's your Texas girl? He said her name is
No, my
from Texas? No.
And the coach to player ratio is a lot higher than like some of the other stuff. So you get a lot of coaching.
Right, win it and then find your target. Find your target, find your target. Oh, there you go. All right.
What do you hope to still get out of the camp within the last couple days?
I hope to like get better from the camp because I can do a lot of live reps with older kids and kids my age who are also really good. So I think I'll get a lot better from just like reps.
So you think working against bigger guys, strong guys, how does that help you out?
Just in general, like getting ready for high school, for the high school season, because I'm going to be a freshman and hopefully playing on varsity, and the guys on varsity are going to be huge. So it's definitely going to be challenging like that, and that prepares me for this prepares me for the season.
With wing play, there's basically going to be 2 quadrants that they're going to cover.
So we're kind of at the end of the camp now. How did it live up to everything you thought it was going to be? What kind of things did you take away?
It did live up to everything I thought it was going to be. It was.
Good work, boys. Nice job.
What's your favorite coach so far?
Oh,
Be careful with that answer.
I don't know.
Good.
I like them all.
Good job.